Curiosity, one of the most powerful forces for personal growth. But did you know that curiosity is not just about asking questions? It's the key to unlocking a life of continuous learning and development. In today's video, we'll explore why curiosity is so essential for success, happiness, and mental health. And most importantly, how you can cultivate it in your everyday life. Curiosity is often defined as the desire to learn, understand, or discover something new. But it's not just about seeking knowledge for knowledge's sake. Curiosity shapes how we interact with the world, influencing everything from our ability to solve problems to our willingness to try new things. From a scientific perspective, curiosity is linked to our brain's reward system. When we engage in something we're curious about, our brain releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical. This explains why curiosity feels so rewarding. It activates the same pathways that make us feel good when we eat a delicious meal or complete a challenging task. Research has shown that curious people tend to be more creative, more open-minded, and more likely to experience positive emotions. They have a greater ability to adapt to new situations and can often solve problems more effectively. In fact, studies in psychological science have found that curiosity is associated with greater cognitive flexibility, the ability to think about something in new, innovative ways. Curiosity is also closely tied to lifelong learning. When we cultivate a curious mindset, we open ourselves up to new knowledge and skills. We stop seeing learning as a chore and start embracing it as a way of enriching our lives. Curiosity isn't just good for our minds, it's also beneficial for our emotional well-being. Curiosity leads us to seek out new experiences, which increases our exposure to diverse ideas, people, and perspectives. This, in turn, promotes greater empathy and emotional intelligence. By being curious about others' experiences, we develop a deeper understanding of the world around us and connect with people on a more meaningful level. In fact, studies show that curiosity is linked to lower levels of stress and anxiety. The reason for this? Curious people tend to focus less on negative outcomes or potential failures. Instead of getting bogged down by what could go wrong, they are more interested in the process of discovery. This positive, growth-oriented mindset helps them stay calm and open to new possibilities. Moreover, curiosity can significantly boost our happiness. When we engage in activities that pique our curiosity, we are more likely to experience flow, a state of deep, immersive engagement. In this state, time seems to fly, and we're fully focused on the task at hand. Research has shown that people who regularly experience flow report higher levels of satisfaction and joy. Now that we know why curiosity is so important, how can we start cultivating it in our everyday lives? Here are some strategies backed by science to help you unlock the power of curiosity. Ask more questions. Curiosity starts with asking questions. The more you ask, the more you learn. Try asking open-ended questions that allow for exploration and discussion. Instead of asking, "What is this?" try asking, "Why is this like this?" or "How does this work?" These kinds of questions can lead to deeper insights and a greater understanding of the world around you. Embrace new experiences. One of the best ways to foster curiosity is to step outside of your comfort zone. Try new activities, meet new people, and expose yourself to different cultures and ideas. The more you experience, the more you'll want to learn and understand. Be open to failure. Curiosity is not always about success. It's about learning. Don't let the fear of failure hold you back. Curiosity thrives in an environment where making mistakes is seen as an opportunity for growth, not something to be avoided. Pursue your interests. Take the time to explore things that spark your curiosity. Whether it's a new hobby, a subject of interest, or a field of study, diving deep into something you're passionate about can ignite your natural curiosity and keep you motivated to learn more. Stay playful. Curiosity and play go hand in hand. When we allow ourselves to play and explore freely, we tap into our most creative and curious selves. Whether it's playing a game, engaging in a creative project, or simply daydreaming, play can help keep our curiosity alive. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness encourages us to be present in the moment and fully engage with our surroundings. By paying attention to the little details, we can spark curiosity in even the most mundane activities. This helps us remain open to new possibilities and keeps our minds sharp. So, whether you're trying to boost your creativity, solve complex problems, or just experience more joy, curiosity is your secret weapon. By embracing a curious mindset, you'll open doors to new learning, new ideas, and a new way of living. Remember, the more you learn, the more you grow. So stay curious, and as always, stay wise. Live smarter.